everyone! Today we are going to explore some fun hobbies together. Come join me and let's discover what you can enjoy learning. Rock climbing. My favorite hobby is rock climbing. It helps me stay strong, balanced, and brave.
Volunteering. My favorite hobby is volunteering. It helps me make a difference and bring happiness to others.
Stargazing. My favorite hobby is stargazing. It helps me explore the night sky and learn about stars and constellations.
Astronomy. My favorite hobby is astronomy. It helps me explore the universe and learn about stars and planets.
Building models. My favorite hobby is building models. It helps me improve focus and be creative with my hands.
Learning languages. My favorite hobby is learning languages. It helps me communicate better and explore new cultures.
Vlogging. My favorite hobby is vlogging. It helps me share experiences and be creative on camera.
Blogging. My favorite hobby is blogging. It helps me share my thoughts and improve my writing skills. Journaling. My favorite hobby is journaling. It helps me express my thoughts and reflect on my day.
Calligraphy. My favorite hobby is calligraphy. It helps me write beautifully and improve my creativity. Woodworking. My favorite hobby is woodworking. It helps me create useful wooden items and improve my focus. Sculpting. My favorite hobby is sculpting. It helps me create amazing shapes and develop creativity. Pottery. My favorite hobby is pottery. It helps me create beautiful clay art and stay creative. Origami. My favorite hobby is origami. It helps me create fun paper art and stay creative.
Embroidery. My favorite hobby is embroidery. It helps me create beautiful designs and stay creative. Sewing. My favorite hobby is sewing. It helps me create beautiful things and stay focused.
Knitting. My favorite hobby is knitting. It helps me create something with my hands and stay focused. Crocheting. My favorite hobby is crocheting. It helps me make creative pieces and stay focused.
Board games. My favorite hobby is board games. It helps me have fun, think strategically, and play with friends.
Chess. My favorite hobby is chess. It helps me think strategically and improve my focus.
Martial arts. My favorite hobby is martial arts. It helps me stay disciplined, strong, and confident.
Meditation. My favorite hobby is meditation. It helps me stay calm, focused, and peaceful. Yoga. My favorite hobby is yoga. It helps me stay flexible, calm, and healthy.
Swimming. My favorite hobby is swimming. It helps me stay healthy and enjoy water fun.
Running. My favorite hobby is running. It helps me stay fit and enjoy outdoor activity.
Jogging. My favorite hobby is jogging. It helps me stay healthy and enjoy outdoor exercise. Cycling. My favorite hobby is cycling. It helps me stay active and enjoy outdoor fun. Traveling. My favorite hobby is traveling. It helps me explore new places and learn about the world. Camping. My favorite hobby is camping. It helps me enjoy the outdoors and have fun with friends. Hiking. My favorite hobby is hiking. It helps me stay healthy and explore nature. Fishing. My favorite hobby is fishing. It helps me relax and enjoy nature. Gardening. My favorite hobby is gardening. It helps me take care of plants and enjoy nature.
Cooking. My favorite hobby is cooking. It helps me learn new recipes and enjoy making food. Acting. My favorite hobby is acting. It helps me express emotions and enjoy storytelling. Singing. My favorite hobby is singing. It helps me enjoy music and express my feelings.
Playing piano. My favorite hobby is playing piano. It helps me improve my concentration and enjoy music.
Sketching. My favorite hobby is sketching. It helps me express my creativity and improve my imagination. Drawing. My favorite hobby is drawing. It helps me express my creativity and have fun with colors. Writing. My favorite hobby is writing. It helps me learn new things and improve my skills. Reading. My favorite hobby is reading. It helps me enjoy stories and explore imagination.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the Elite English Academy channel. Stay tuned for the next video and keep learning with us.